Hello everyone, welcome again to my Digital Academy. My name is Wesu Emmanuel. You're welcome to another Python programming training. We have looked at too many things. Before now, we have looked at data types, talking about integers, floating point numbers, talking about Boolean expressions. We have looked at also if statements, if else, elif statements, and today we want to look at the input function. We want to look at the input function. What does the input function do? What is it all about? The input function enables users to be able to enter certain information on your system or computer or into your database, and you can get back to, you can later fall back on the inputs that the user actually enter into the computer. So the input function, in summary, enables you to receive or collect data or information from users that interact with either your web or your applications. And so we want to look at that this moment. And for us to do that, then we are going to use the input function. Okay, let's just get started. Now let's say, for example, we want to collect name from the user. What do we need to do is just first write our variables name. We set that to equal to. So we want to receive or collect name from this particular user. And how then are we going to write the code? The first thing we are going to do is to write input. That tells the computer that yes, someone is going to input certain value. Then you open a parenthesis. Now let's see how this is. If we go ahead and run this or code this, whenever we run this, it's going to give us an empty screen, but though it will allow individuals to enter certain values. Let me go ahead and run this, and then I will be able to write name. Let's just say Smith. You can see it enables me to write Smith, and that's the end. Alright, but how will the user know what to do? Then we have to put what we want the user to do just in form of instruction. We are going to start by open our code. Then let's just write enter your name here, so here. Then let's go ahead and then run this, and let's see what's going to be returned on the screen. You can see it's asking the user to type his or her name here. Then I can go ahead and now type my name, Smith, and then I hit enter, and that's all, because that's the only thing we have put here. But let's assume that we are removing the input. Then what is going to happen? Let's see exactly what will happen. Will it still give us the same thing? Let's go ahead and run this. You can see what this has actually done is it has made this a variable. It has actually stored this value. So it's not an input function. Alright. So for the input function, you have to put input if you want to receive such information from the user. So you have to put it in this format. Now that's let's just say name, then let's say age. We want to also collect age. Let's say equals to open brackets, okay, parenthesis, then your code, enter your age, okay. Let's say the next, okay, maybe before then enter your sex. Let's just say sex equals to parenthesis, then your code, enter your age, okay, sorry, sex, enter your sex, and have to put then the next one. Let's just say your phone number, mobile. Mobile equals input and parentheses and our code. Enter your phone number. Alright, we have this. Then let's run all this and see. And let's say enter your name here. Let's go ahead and say Smith. Enter your phone number 08123456789. Now we hit enter and that's all. So what happens here? Two things are skipped: sex and age. Why? Because we did not follow the right syntax. Here we need to put input to be able to have this displayed. Input here, then we go here again, then input, and then let's go ahead and rerun. Then we cannot enter the four information. Smith, enter, sex, you can see, let's say male. Then we go enter your age, 25. Enter your phone number 08123456789. So, and that's all information we have to enter. That is how the input function works. Now let's see the application of this. This will lead us to an aspect we call concatenation. Concatenation. So we are going to concatenate this to display certain information on the screen, because at the end of the day, when the user enters this information, then the user will not see anything if we don't return the whole thing with certain information for the user to see. So we are going to concatenate this and display every information that the user has actually entered. Now, what is concatenation? Concatenation is to combine all this user information together exactly as it has been entered and then display to the user. So how do we do that? We do that by using a plus sign. Okay, now what we are going to do is this. Let's just go ahead and say print. Then we open our parentheses, then our quote. Now what do? Okay, we have received name. We can now say your name is space. Here we are going to now go outside the quote and put plus, then name. So that's concatenating the first input, which is a name, for the name to be displayed, then plus, okay, quote, your name is, okay, all right, your name is blah blah blah. Okay, let's see. Then you are a male. Let's just say you are a, that is of the sex. So we go enter. So all right, then plus sex, you are a male. So we have to write exactly as it is here by the left hand side. So sex, then we go again plus, okay, you are a male and 25 years old. You are a male. Our code, you are a male and, okay, the age now, plus age, plus quotes, yes, old. Okay, let me put a full stop here. Then we go outside a quote plus, okay, no, quotes, your mobile phone number, or your phone number. Let's see, your phone number. Phone number is, then we go out of the code, plus, then we have mobile. Now you can see we have not entered any other thing apart from this other information. Your name is blah 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 blah. So we didn't enter any name, we didn't enter any sales, we didn't enter any age, we didn't enter any mobile. So but all this will be entered by the user. And then let's go ahead and run this as this ask the user this certain information. Can we run this now? Name, I write Smith. Enter male. Enter 25. Enter 0, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Enter. So can we say it? Your name is Smith. You are a male and 25 years old. Your phone number is this. That's how it works. But there are some few errors we need to correct. Your name is, okay, your name is Smith. You, then for us to make sure there is a spacing between here, then we need to come here and just put a space here. And then let me put a full stop here after. Alright, then I put space. And then where again you are a male. Okay. Age. You are a male. You are a male. Okay. After this age, you are a space, a male, and space. Okay. Space age. Okay, let's write it together. I think this is okay. So let's go ahead and run this now. One more time. We go Smith. Enter. I'm a male. Enter. I'm 25. Enter. Phone 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then let's then run. Okay, enter. Everything is perfect now. Your name is Smith. You are a male and 25 years old. Your phone number is 081234568 and 9. That is how the input function and concatenation actually works. And so you may be surprised now that you may now see it clearly that when you enter certain information and the system or the computer, the machine, returns your own same information you enter on the screen, you now see how exactly this works. So this is just a simple way of receiving input from users or your customers. It all depends. Okay, now let's just still go ahead and just have a little more fun one more time, and then before we move on to the next thing. Okay, we have received this. Now let's just say we want to find out the kind of products that individuals will want. We want to make sure we receive about 3 kind of products from the individuals. We are doing a survey. We want to find out the kind of product that individuals have been looking for that they don't have, that may help us in our sales. So let's just say we have products and we want to have about 3 products. You don't just write product 1. This is not going to recognize it. So it will only recognize the last number or the letter or the word. What we need to do here for this to work perfectly is underscore then product 1. And then here we are going to write here, okay, what products, what kind of products do you want us to deliver? Okay, question mark. And the next one, okay, what, oh, sorry. Let's go ahead and say product 2, products underscore 2, and we have the same thing here. So let me just go ahead then remove this and copy and paste this. Copy, then I will paste this here. Alright, and then let's go ahead and copy the whole of this. Okay, let me make it first. So let me copy this, and then okay, I paste this here. Okay, I'm going to change this now to 3 and this now to 4. Right, then here I just say okay, mobile. Next one, let us say enter your email. Let me paste this here. Now I turn this one to mail and enter your email. Fine. Alright, now that we have this, I'm going to change this to product 1, product 2, product 3 and 4. Copy this. Okay, yeah, let's receive the name. We're going to also ask the user to give us the name equals to input enter your name. Right, then we have this. Now we have name. I'm going to rewrite all this. Your name is blah 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 blah. Okay, I'm going to change this here. Name. Okay, okay. Thank you plus name. Thank you plus name. I'm going to remove this from quote here. Okay. Thank you plus name. You have requested for the following products. So here we have product 1, okay, product 1. I'm going to copy this. When we have sex, then I put product 1, product 2, I'll change that to 2. I'm going to remove this. It should be a comma. Put a comma here. Product 3. And I put a comma here. Plus the next product, that's product 4. Okay, plus quotes, full stop. Okay, let's run this and let's see name. Okay, there's an error. You're requested for following products. Okay, you have requested. Yes, okay. Product 3. Remove these quotes. Okay, yes, I think this is correct now. Yes, it's correct now. Alright, let me run this quickly and see. And then we need to correct few errors. Plus here. So we add a full stop here. Okay. Well, again, where we need to add a full stop, we need to add a full stop here. So I'll go here. A quote. Full stop here. Okay. There's still some few errors. Plus here. Okay. Yes, I think this should be okay. Let's go ahead and enter the information on Smith. Enter what kind of products. Let's see. First one, children wear. Children wears. So children wears. Enter. Product 2. Then let's just go ahead and say footwears. Footwears for children. Then the third one, casual wears. Casual wears for adults. Adults. Then product 4, let's just enter. We need pajamas. Pajamas. Okay, now we have this. We have entered the 4 products. We need enter your phone number. Okay, I enter 08123456789. Enter. Then email Smith at gmail.com. Enter. Thank you, Smith. You have requested for the following products: children wears, footwear for children, casual wears for adults, pajamas. You can see. Alright, but we have some few things to correct here. And for us to be able to do that, then let's trace out for the following products: children wears, footwears for children, footwears. Here there's an error here. Footwear. So let's correct that. Okay, that's where we enter this. Okay. Alright. For the following products, there should be a comma. I requested for the following products, so I put my comma here. Okay. And let me put color. Yeah, put color. Then that is settled for the following products. Children wears, footwears. Okay. Footwears for children. There should be a comma. That's product 2. Product 2. After product 2, then we put a plus sign and then a quote. Then we put a comma. Alright. Okay. Yes. Then I close this up here. Alright. Okay, for children, for adults. Okay. After this also, I do the same. Plus quotes, a comma, then I close this up there with my plus. Okay, and now it's 4. After this also, think I need this plus this. Okay, I think this is okay now. So let's go ahead and rerun this. Okay, so let's rerun this now and see what we have entered. Enter your name. My name is Smith. Enter. Okay, I want us to do something here. Product 1, enter what kind. Okay, let me just make it here. First product, let me modify this. First products needed. I'll copy this and paste. So I'm modifying this to make it explanatory. Paste this as well. and I paste this as well. And here, first products needed, second, then let's say third product, let's say fourth product. Okay, but before then, prints, I'm going to ask them to print, the system to print, okay, code, kindly enter your 4 most preferred products. Most preferred products. Okay, fine. Your first most preferred products. Enter your first most preferred products. So let's go ahead and run this at this time. I'm going to rerun this. Okay, my name is Smith. Enter. Yes, you can see now, after your name, then kindly enter your 4 most preferred products. Okay, the first product I'm going to enter, that we enter before, children wear. Children wears. Enter. The second product is footwears for children. And the third one is casual wears for adults. Casual wears for adults. The next, that's the fourth product, is what? Pajamas. Alright, now we have this. Then let's go ahead and hit enter to display our information. Okay, the next one, enter your phone number. 08123456789. Now we have this enter. We hit enter here. Email smith@gmail.com. Enter. Now let's see. Thank you, Smith. You have requested for the following products: children wears, footwears for children, casual wears for adults, and pajamas. So we have a correct punctuations for all this, but we have an error here, casual wearers, so we need to correct this, and we have a plus here, then we need to also correct this. So let's trace that and make a correction to that. Thank you plus name plus, okay, you have, I need to remove this plus. Yes, plus is already here, great. Now whereas footwears, okay, where's that error? Casual wears, okay, it's from what we entered. So let's go again. I think I've corrected the error here, so we go one more time, and then we have Smith, enter. Okay, we have children wears, okay, enter. Second product. For the second product, we have footwears for children. Footwears. Okay. That's footwears for children. Excuse me. Children. Footwears for children. Okay, next. And the third product is casual wears. Casual wears for adults. Casual wears for adults. And next, the fourth one is pajamas. Pajamas. Okay, our phone number 08123456789. Enter your email smith@gmail.com. Now we have everything corrected. Thank you, Smith. You have requested for the following products: children wears, footwears for children, casual wearers. We still having an issue here for adults, and pajamas. Okay, I'm going to then finally correct every necessary error and we'll run it for the last time. Okay, casual wears. Let me see. I'm the one entering the wrong thing here. Okay, and the pajamas. I'm going to add and here, and okay, adults. Okay, after this I'm going to say and here. Okay, fine. So I'm going to rerun this and be careful to enter my information correctly. I am Smith. Enter. Okay, the first one is children wears. Children wears. Enter. The next one is footwears for children. Footwears. Footwears for children. Footwears for children. Enter. And the third one is casual wears. For adults. Casual wears for adults. And the next one is pajamas. We enter phone number. We enter email. I'll hit enter. Everything is in order now. Thank you, Smith. You have requested for the following products: children wears, footwears for children, casual wears for adults, and pajamas. Beautiful. And that is how you can receive inputs, concatenate them, and display the information on the screen for your user. I hope this is very helpful and you can go ahead and practice. But I'm going to give you something to work with. I'm going to give you a question here. Take this practice question.